for this, actually. It was her brilliant idea. She's like,
no, Grandpa needs a
he's got to
hat.
put the hat on first.
Oh, I have to wear the hat?
You gotta wear the hat. And then they gotta.
And make sure the chin strap goes on underneath.
You probably should sit over here though, because if they throw it over the couch, then
How do I
it's
get the hat on? It's not big enough for my
Yes,
head.
it is. It's supposed to fit like an elf hat. See?
Like a
You
hat.
look like Pope. You look like the Pope. Sit here. There.
It's got to stay on my head, so don't screw with it
I was
too
trying
much.
to just pop it out a little bit.
You know what? You got to pitch it like this. It's not at my face.
What the? What the what?
You know what? It'd be better for all of us to had about 7 of them. Just throw them at once.
Here, let me try
It'd be
one.
better if they were made of plastic.
Let me try one.
Yeah, you bet they would sting like crazy.
Need to get them more rounded.
If I ever had a Facebook page, this is the first thing I would put on it right here.
You need to do it. Throw it at him.
Like this.
Get it on there.
Oh.
Yeah, do it like a frisbee.